If you think you already know all the car hacks, wait until you hear what's coming, because today, you're about to learn 15 genius tricks that even most mechanics don't know. But once you use them, you'll save time, money, and avoid so many headaches on the road. And trust me, number 7 alone can save you hundreds every single year. Let's get started. Hack number 1. The toothpaste headlight restore trick. If your headlights are foggy, cloudy, or yellow, you don't need an expensive restoration kit. A little toothpaste, a microfiber cloth, and water can polish the surface enough to improve brightness instantly. It doesn't last forever, but it's a perfect emergency fix before long trips or nighttime driving. Hack number 2. Dusin sombra masan son stindo. Soken stitenden doper mai su intul. The seatbelt height fix. If your seatbelt keeps rubbing your neck, just adjust the shoulder height slider on the B-pillar. Most people don't even realize it moves up and down. Not only does this eliminate discomfort, it also improves crash safety by positioning the belt correctly. Hack number 3. Use nail polish to stop a windshield crack. A small crack or chip can spread fast, especially in hot or cold weather. Applying a thin layer of clear nail polish over the crack slows the expansion and buys you time before getting a professional repair. Hack number 4. The coin in the tire tread rule. If you don't know whether your tire tread is dangerously low, just place a coin inside the grooves. If too much of the coin is exposed, your tread is worn and you're at risk of hydroplaning, blowouts, and honestly, some pretty terrible braking. Hack number 5. Warm your key fob for better range. Cold weather actually weakens the battery signal. Simply holding the fob in your closed fist for about 10 seconds warms it up, giving you extra range to lock, unlock, or even remote start your car from further away. Hack number 6. The side mirror memory trick. Tilt your side mirrors down before backing into tight parking spaces. This gives you a clear view of your wheels and helps keep you from scraping curbs. It's a super simple trick that can totally prevent expensive rim repair. Hack number 7. The gas cap seal check. If your fuel economy suddenly drops, or your car throws an evap leak code, check the rubber gasket inside your gas cap. A damaged or dried out seal can cost you hundreds in diagnostics, even though the fix is, honestly, a $10 replacement. Hack number 8. Use a hairdryer to remove old stickers. From dealership decals to inspection stickers, a simple blast of heat softens the adhesive so the sticker peels off cleanly without leaving residue behind. Hack number 9. Deodorize your car using charcoal. Forget expensive odor removers. A small bag of activated charcoal absorbs smells from food, pets, moisture, or old AC systems, and honestly, it works better than typical air fresheners. Hack number 10. Keep a tub of petroleum jelly for battery corrosion. After you clean your battery terminals, just apply a small amount of petroleum jelly to prevent corrosion. This really improves electrical contact, helps your car start easier, and even extends your battery life. Dex my nachliten stens som brurjan. Hack number 11. Use your sun visor side panel. Most drivers honestly never use the pull-out extension on their sun visor. It actually blocks the gap where sunlight sneaks through, making long drives a whole lot safer and, well, less annoying. Hack number 12. The brake light reflection test. If you want to check whether your brake lights work when you're driving alone, just reverse near a store window or any reflective surface. Tap the brakes and right away, you'll see if any bulbs are burned out. Hack number 13. Turn on your AC in winter. Even when it's freezing outside, running your AC for a few minutes every week helps circulate refrigerant oil and keeps the seals from drying out. This simple habit really reduces the chance of a massive AC repair bill down the road. Hack number 14. Adjust your steering wheel the right way. Most drivers honestly set their steering wheel too high. Lowering it actually improves your visibility, reduces driver fatigue, and gives you more control. It's a small adjustment, but wow, what a huge improvement. Hack number 15. Use rain repellent on more than just windows. Applying it to your headlights, mirrors and even your rear window can really improve visibility and prevent water spots. It's seriously one of the cheapest upgrades you can do, with one of the biggest impacts on safety. These 15 hacks might seem simple, but using them the right way saves money, prevents breakdowns, and keeps your car running smoothly without expensive tools or complicated steps. If you found even one of these tips useful, go ahead and like this video so it reaches more drivers. And if you want more car-saving tips, hidden features, and mechanic secrets, hit subscribe because honestly, we're just getting started.